In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Base app. So first of all, open the Base application. You can see over here Base application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. You can either sign in with email, passkey or recovery phrase. So what you have to do is tap on the sign in method of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option sign in with email. Now if you also selected that option, you'll be able to sign in with your email address. So simply enter the email address associated with your account over here. After that, tap on this option next. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail. You can see over here Base has sent me the email. Simply tap on it. Now in this email you'll be able to see the code. You can either memorize it or you can also copy it. Now after you do that, go back to the Base application. Now what you have to do is enter the code over here. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Base app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.